What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use Google Gemini to turn any picture of you into a drawing, just like this, into a simple, fast, effective and totally free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to Google, type Google Gemini. Once on it, click into this plus button to add files. You can do this into the mobile app in the case that you want as well. Click on upload files. Select your picture. Then on tools, I'm gonna click and create image. This with the banana icon. Then you're gonna need to enter this prompt right here. You can pause the video so you can copy the prompt. Pause the video, take a screenshot. Or, in the case that you want, I'm gonna leave the prompt into the comment, or you can ask me for it. Just remember to change right here into a person's name, type any name that you wish, just like this. Here is the prompt. And here is the result we got. Of course, you can create any kind of image, you can edit the prompt in the case that you want, but the result it's just nice, okay? And of course, you can download the picture or share it in the case that you wish. Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys later. All the best!